sight where the smile so long and ignites the nights. Every town she visits, heart she entwines, and what as magic flows like the finest wines.
Guys, I'm really enjoying this beautiful and amazing view. Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we are going for a hike, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end to see the destination where we are going. This is my neighborhood, my home is back there, so we are walking guys. Proceed with my hiking. I first take this to energize myself. This is fine. This is beetroot juice with sugarcane with beetroot juice. This will refresh me and my friends as we hike. Okay guys, keep watching this video. Keep watching this video guys. This is my favorite store. This is where I come for fresh juice as I go. We're exiting Eldoret town on our way to this amazing place where we are going to be hiking today. I'm going to show you some other part of Eldoret town. We have an amazing brother here who's our driver.
Hi, my name is Eli.
Eli, nice to meet you.
I'm a driver.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Eli. So guys, keep it locked. Keep watching to find out where is this destination where we are going to be hiking today. Okay guys, remember to like this video. You can share it out as well. Alright, let's keep going.
With every step she spreads her cheer, an understanding friend who draws us near. It's on a motor shining bright, in a world of chaos she's our light. With kindness in her heart and love to bestow, she shows us all how to grow. From bustling markets to quiet streams, she listens to the stories, ignites the dreams. A gentle spirit travels far and wide, in her caring presence we all abide. Every bond she makes, a treasure to keep, a lovely traveler, a soul so deep. It's on a motor shining bright, in a world of chaos she's our light. With kindness in her heart and love to bestow, she shows us all how to grow. So here's to the lady who travels afar, forever inspiring, that's Anna Rao.
So guys, we're in Nandi County and now we are taking our next means of transport, which is Boda Boda, to our destination. Guys, keep it locked, keep watching. Let's go. Guys, I'm loving the beautiful voice of the birds. Nature is beautiful guys, nature is beautiful. And also over there there's the voice of the river. There's a river over there. So we're still hiking, and before we reach the waterfall, this is the ambience around me. Guys. Let me turn the camera so that I can show you the other side, the front side. This is behind me. Let me show you in front of me. You can hear the sound of the river now. The chirping of the birds is at some distance, but you can hear the strong voice of the of the river. Let me turn the camera, guys, or give you a 350. Let me give you a 350 first. Here we go. Here we go. There is the river. This is a beautiful, beautiful view of this area. Not be able to cover these sides because the boys from this area has gone for the initiation, and it's very forbidden to even look at them. All right, so we will not be covering this area to respect them. Yeah, guys, I'll be doing more videos on the about the boys from this area going for the passage. It's a culture in this area, and together with my friend we'll be doing more videos showing you what they eat for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and in between, and more. We'll be sharing more. So guys, keep it locked on this channel. Turn on the notification bell for me, so that whenever we post these videos you will be sure to be notified. Okay guys, all right, let's keep going. So that is one area we're not going to cover. Let's go. Guys, this is the ambience here. Look at those trees. I like the beautiful nature here. It's so quiet. There's the sound of the river and the beautiful, beautiful scenery here. Nature at its best. Guys, I'm loving the beautiful voice of the birds. Nature is beautiful, guys. Nature is beautiful. And also over there, there's the voice of the river. There's a river over there. So we're still hiking. And before we reach the waterfall, this is the ambience around me. This is the ambience around me, guys. Let me turn the camera so that I can show you the other side, the front side. This is behind me. Let me show you in front of me. You can hear the sound of the river now. The chirping of the birds is at some distance, but you can hear the strong voice of the river. Let me turn the camera, guys, or give you a 350. Let me give you a 350 first. Here we go. Here we go. There is the river. This is a beautiful, beautiful view of this area. So guys, we are still continuing with the hike, but we have reached here, and I think this is a very beautiful view. So guys, enjoy the beautiful view. Guys, it feels amazing to be here. The sun is kissing this girl and the weather is perfect. The breeze is amazing. I'm having fun here. I'm having lots of fun, guys. And let me know in the comment section, isn't it amazing to be embracing nature? I'm hoping that you are enjoying the beautiful, beautiful view here, guys. All right, let's keep going. Let's go back. We're going back down. We're going now this way to the bottom of that area. So we'll go back to the bridge. Down we go. I think that is another gazebo or is a shed. I think it's a shed. I think we'll go there also. my friends did not join me. Today, Harriet and Kobenata did not join me because they were taking rest. They have been on the move and they needed to take rest and also do something about their already shooted video. They need to edit them. Alright guys, so let's keep going. So guys, there's a garbage from the county government to keep the place clean, and this is the way. And there's a cute chair there. I think you can see it. That's such a nice one. Look at that cute chair there. I think it's looking so nice. Such a beautiful, beautiful view. There's natural flowers here. Here we go. Yeah, up we go guys, up we go. And here I am climbing this beautiful small hill. There we go. Look at that, it's shaped very nicely. Oh, the boat is not visible. Whatever they've written there is not visible. Swimming in the river not allowed. Wow. So it's not allowed. There's another cute chair. It's not allowed to swim. This area looks nice. The nature and the sounds of nature. It's just beautiful. Let me take a selfie here. So guys, this is the reception of this place. This is the reception, and they pay here. They pay 200 shillings to go to the waterfall. Eh? Oh yeah, there are charges here. Here are the charges. The name is Chepkiit Waterfalls. Charges in entry as from 20th May 2019. Oh, adults is 200, children 100, non-citizen. Yeah, by the county government of this area. Yeah, so it's okay, it's worth it. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go, guys. After paying, guys, we are going to the waterfalls. After paying, we are going to the waterfalls. You can see down there. Yeah, now it's getting steep here. It's getting steep, and down we go. Earlier we were going up, but now we are going down. All right, it's such a beautiful view. I wonder what this building is. There's another one here, like a gazebo. Let's see. It's actually a gazebo. I think people come here to see it, or maybe do cookouts. I think so. But there's no light, so you cannot come in the night. There's no sockets. Look at that huge rock. Wow. Nature is beautiful, guys, and down there is the waterfalls. You can hear the strong voice, yeah? So, this is our receptionist. He is the one who received us today. My brother, what's your name again? Asbel. Yeah. Yes. So, Asbel, is it allowed for people to come with their food and cook? Because I've seen you have gazebos here.
Yeah, it's allowed.
It's allowed. We can come and cook here.
Yeah.
That's amazing. And do you have plans of maybe opening restaurant and accommodation for maybe someone who is visiting? They can sleep.
Yeah, you have that information.
Yes.
For opening restaurant, where you can come and sleep.
Next year. By next year it will be ready. Yes.
Yeah.
All right. That is amazing. So you are the same people who you do tour guides also around here.
Yes, I'm not here.
Okay, thank you so much. We are so happy to be here. Thank you for your good service and the reception. What is this building and what is this house here? It's another gazebo?
That is another gazebo.
Okay, let me check it out and come. Guys, so let's see. That's an amazing thing. So we can come here with our food and cook from here. That's nice. And they have garbage there from the county government. Hey, this is built inside a tree. No, a tree. Oh my goodness. The stone is inside. Hey, this one is ready. We just come with our firewood and all that. Oh, look how it looks. I think this is a very amazing idea. The stones are there. They are supposed to be 3, but they have set it as 4 stones. And there is this big stone here. It's an amazing thing, you see. Yeah, I think I will bring my friends Kobenata and Harriet and Abo. We do some cookout here. It's an amazing place. Nature is beautiful, guys. And it feels so nice to be here, you know. There is my shadow. Here is a bridge that maybe takes you to the other end. Let's see, guys. Nature is beautiful, guys. It's been raining, so that's why the water is so strong. So we are having this view from this end, and then I will go to the other end. There is my shadow. I'm loving this nature walk. Look at the beautiful view, guys. Look at this beautiful view. There's some other visitors there. Wow, guys, this is so beautiful. So this is the view from this side, guys. This is the beautiful view from this side. And there is this cute small stream there, and then there is this what is it, the bridge, the mini bridge here. There, this is the amazing view from this side, and this is how it looks here. It's a pity that there's a garbage and somebody threw the water bottle from there. What an unreasonable thing to do. So because I'm a picker, I will pick it and put it in the right place. There we go. This is how it looks from here, guys. Look at that amazing view. Let me remove the dual camera so that I can give you an amazing view of this place. So guys, this is the aerial view. This is the aerial view of Chepkiit. This is so beautiful, and the feeling, oh my goodness, the feeling of the fresh air and everything, it's magical, guys. Magical. And there is the waterfall. Look at those huge trees there. OMG. I envy the people who live here. It's so fresh here. It's very, very fresh. Look at this beautiful view. I think nature is such a beautiful thing, but then when you see this, the strength of this water, you just know how powerful nature can be. Guys, nature is something else. Look at these stones. Look at these stones, guys. There's this space between the stones. Oh my goodness, nature at its best. Nature at its best, guys. To see if I can reach there. Let me see. Off we go. Let's jump. Let's jump. Hey, look at this. Hey, nature is beautiful, people. Nature is beautiful. I want to see what is behind this tree. Is it a gazebo or is it just a shade? Let's see. This is the way down. This is the way down, the way down. I will not be able to talk much because of the sound of the water. So guys, after the fall, because I fell earlier, this is the far I will go. I will not go there. Today I will not go there. But another time I might go. But for today, I will not. This will be the end. This will be the last point. Look at the rocks, guys. This is the end. I cannot go further than this. So this is the view from here. It's steep there. That's where we were earlier at that point. Enjoying this beautiful and amazing view. And guys, if you have watched this video to this end, I'm super grateful. Give this video a like, share me out and leave me an amazing comment if you're from Eldoret or if you've had something in Eldoret that you'd love me to cover. Let me know, guys. So for now, it's a bye-bye from the Chepkiit Waterfall.